All right, guys, here is Canton. We're south of the boulevard, Laurel Canyon and Ventura. This is a really solid, I mean, you just go down the street here and then kind of hang a right, Laurel Canyon. You can, probably not really walkable, but just right around the street, right on the corner from Fryman Hiking, Farmers Market, shops and restaurants on Ventura. Really great, amazing restaurants. Here's the cul-de-sac. So you got nice houses around you. The house, as you can see, is actually built on a slope. So you've got, this is all the main level here, and then garage area is below. Garage area is below. So I don't think there's direct access. I'm gonna show you though. But beautiful driveway, great landscaping, olive trees. It has a really clean, organic look. It's just a really beautiful house. Here's your steps. So this is your entrance to the house. You got ficus trees on this side that block the view of the house that's over there. You really wouldn't see it. Front door's here. But before we go inside, there's this really nice job here. This kind of walkway here goes to the other side of the property. So the house, street's behind us. That's the back of the property, but the house faces this way, which is totally fine. It works out fairly well for the lot. So you got this like rock walkway here, which is really pretty. Beautiful trees. No neighbors above you. I like that. I mean, I'm sure there's a neighbor up there somewhere, but looks like the fence terminates over there. So the fence terminates over there, so if you're gonna have animals, you might wanna figure that out. There are these, okay, so there's a house over there, which is somebody else's, which is probably a flag lot, I guess, off of this cul-de-sac. You got these little retaining walls up here. We'll take a look at those. Here's the back of the house over here. Actually, you know what? I don't think I came over here when I saw the house. Okay, so just like a rear, kind of a side area, which is, I believe, the primary. Tankless water heater, which is nice. All the windows and doors has been completely remodeled. The story is that this guy, this was one of his first projects. He used to work with this guy named Rob Diaz, who's fairly well-known designer, remodeler. Anyway, so here's the entry. You kind of have this like white oak looking entry, white oak cabinetry there with your entry. Floors are wide plank European oak. Come in here, here's the living room. Built-ins on either side of the fireplace, which is lovely. It's a really nice marble, I love it. It's a little warm but nice. Beautiful windows. And then here's a reverse angle so you can see the living room there and the kitchen in the distance. Really nice built-in there. So fridge has got the cabinetry on the outside, which I really like. Counters are beautiful, nicely done. This was, how many years ago was this redone?
2 years.
So 2 years ago, this house was basically taken down to the studs, completely rebuilt, right? Yeah, everything, all new systems, everything?
All new
Yeah,
systems,
okay.
yeah.
Good to see you guys. Double wolf range, 8 burner, checks the boxes. I like you got collapsible sliding doors here and over there as well. This is pantry over here. Yeah, pantry with pull-outs, which is nice. So these are all pull-outs, so that's dialed. Anything you want me to share with them, go for it. Otherwise, I think I'm pretty much good. Breakfast table here. Yeah. Single person lived in the house?
Yeah.
Single person lived in the house.
You never even connected to Sonos.
Never even connected to Sonos.
Just very, very typical.
Was he living here full time or was it like a pied-à-terre?
Yeah,
Okay.
Worked in the room and was from the Midwest, very low key.
Really nice deck out here.
Deck is brand new.
Deck is recently installed. They had EP out here before, but they changed to this Trek style decking. Beautiful olive trees. You do see a little bit of the neighbor over there, but these ficus trees were just hedged. They're on our property, so those will grow up and those won't be there. I think this is like really, otherwise it feels super private. You've got, it's hard for me to describe. I mean, it's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, probably at least 15 feet wide over there, narrower on this side. But everywhere you look, you've got green and privacy. So it's really sweet. I'll show you, they've got like a cold plunge or a jacuzzi tub. I'm not sure what that is, or they're probably a cold plunge. A beautiful lemon tree, you'll love that. This really cool sitting area here, fire pit. Looks like it is plumbed. Walkway to the back, to the side. Here is, no, this is like a jacuzzi. I don't think there's a swimming pool and spa heater. Look at that. That's so funny. What a cool little system this is. So that's dope, love that. More deck and sitting area here. That's the primary there, which I'll take you in and show you in a minute. Secondary bedrooms here. And I'm gonna swing you back through the kitchen. No, you're good. And then down the hallway. So that was the entry right there to your right. And I'm gonna show you the bedrooms. All right, so bedroom number 1 is here. It's got this really subdued, calm, not gray and not white either, but just like this gray cream wall color, which I love. Laundry room is here. And by the way, this room's a suite. So here, the door matches. And then check out the window casing right here. So they left that so you can see the contrast. It's kind of hard to tell. Hard to tell, but the windows casings themselves are white. And then here's the bath. Again, done a couple years ago. Really cool vanity, beautiful counter, frameless glass shower enclosure, vertical subway tile, powder bath for your guests. Really nicely done. This is like a Roman clay finish. You can see it's designed to be textured and just have like a kind of a really natural feel to it. Really nicely done. Bedroom 2 is here, currently set up as an office. Did a nice job with the staging here on this furniture. So closets here, my guess is you've got hanging. Yeah, so you've got hanging here. So you can easily use this as a closet. Otherwise, you know, nice cabinetry like the poles. Cool piece of art. All right, what do we got over here? So, all right, so that first one was a suite. And then you've got a big 3/4 bath here. And I love the tile. It's kind of dark, but black. I love the tile, like it looks good. Here, it's much lighter when you turn on the lights. Third bedroom here. Got that cool kind of vertical shiplap siding there. Windows are modern, really nice view. Just greenery, feels very private. Big walk-in, not huge, but nice size walk-in closet here. So I guess these 2 bedrooms over here, that bedroom there and this bedroom here are serviced by this bath. And then this is the primary. Just walking right into the primary here. Beautiful, completely built out closet. Hanging, 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 more hanging. I mean, this closet is, if you guys have a lot of stuff, you might be in trouble, but it's pretty great. All right, and then here's the sleeping room. Got nice little music playing. It's spacious. It's interesting. It's kind of like lengthier, I guess. Narrow and longer, but it doesn't feel narrow at all. I mean, don't get me wrong. greenery and private. There was that house behind it in the back, but I don't, no, you can't see anything. You can't see anything. There's your view to the outside. So that's the house that you see in the background. I don't think you'll ever see anything out of that window, but those ficus trees, she said they went up as high as that balcony and they just over trimmed them on accident. But like, give it 6 months and those will grow. So I would not buy the house over privacy because I think the ficus trees will easily be that tall if you want them to. And then here's the bath, which is awesome. I love this light fixture. This is incredible, by the way. I mean, it is stunningly beautiful. Take a look at the framing around this shower and how it blends with the travertine. You got this like really white, marbly, veiny against the travertine, and even in the inset, it just makes it stand out. I love it. Water closet is there, and then here's your vanity, which they did a good job with. They went with this like kind of almost to the floor window. And a beautiful piece of stone here. It's probably a marble. Sealed properly, it'll be fine. That's it, guys. So that's Canton. Let us know if you want to check it out. It's really beautiful. Nicely well done. And a home that I would definitely check out.